The Marsh Thistle is our tallest thistle, sometimes reaching an amazing 2 metres. It's also rich in pollen and is known to attract over 80 species of butterflies and bees. This buff-tailed bumblebee is making the best of these iconic flowers. Surprisingly, the thistle is actually a member of the daisy family and has become a true emblem of Scotland. King James III ordered it to be pressed onto our silver coins back in 1470. However, further back than that, in 1263, King Haakon of Norway's men tried to creep up in the Scottish army barefoot at night for stealth. Well, you can guess what happened. Ouch.